Hey guys, this is your girl, actress Mercy. Let me just say, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching Public Report Official. I'm a new actress with Public Report Official, and I must commend the public as an amazing director. He has a passion for filming, and I really appreciate that because as an actress, I enjoy working with individuals who, have a high passion for filming and actual storytelling. This movie, guys, that you are about to see, I must say that it's epic, and this is me. I'm an actress. And let me just say, guys, do not judge me. That's not who I am in real life. I'm a people person. I am fun filled. I am loving. Whenever you see me, guys, on the street, please do not be afraid to say hello. I'm not as evil as you see me in these movies. It's just acting. All right, so guys, this one, it's called Bad Breed. It's a banger. I know you guys are going to love it. All right, peace out. And you guys can follow me as well on TikTok. It's actress Mercy underscore JA. All right.
Babe,
Eh?
see your wallet,
So make I come on and give me a wamp now.
me did want me here if you do, and me never did want go in your wallet, so me say me I bring it come give you instead.
Bring it come give me for do what? Wamp to you at all times you want to do something. You can't stay in the house and relax like some normal people. Are you in a one couple relationship?
But look
Every time you want to do something. Do you hear? Go out.
But look here, me cause me have one little trip I go on that side. Me did want me here if you get done.
Which trip? Me tell you something I said upon trip. Me not like how you always I make plans and then afterwards I come put it to me. Eh?
No, but me they go tell you.
They go tell me when. I when I trip.
But I'm being girl.
I when I trip. When I the trip.
In the next 3 days.
The thing sitting wrong with you, you know. Which part you fucking?
Uppy line.
Uppy line where? Come on, like you have
Kingston.
the way you talk, you have to talk and left a piece of story. So me have to ask a question every second. You ask a half fight, then you
Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah.
I'm telling you something, country girl. Kingston enough
So
here, you know. You understand me? I say Kingston enough here. Kingston enough here. Kingston enough here. And then you got to tell me now, say you want to go here. Then you got to tell me now, say you need fear. You got to tell me say you need food. You might need accommodation. And all them something. I mean, I think that's necessary right now, you know. You know, see what I'm going to world? Eh? You know how hard me work to get this money, eh? Right now, I be a gamble, I gamble every day. Thank God for cash pot. If cash pot never bought me, no know how I manage. And now I lose today, and right as I lose, I come asking the things. That makes sense to you?
But I have money.
Who have money? To do what?
You must can't give me money.
You know how this place I pay for? You know what I pay for? I don't think you understand what I pay for. I loan me take. Me never have no raw cash. I go in at the place and get a loan and bill this backside place. You come talk about me have money. And make me a try make up a loan money. 80,000 every month. What you do? What you do? What the fuck? Give me this.
No worries, Katie. I do understand what you're saying. But what I want you to understand, okay, is that this is not a hoax. This is not a hanky-panky. And this is not a prank call. We're a legitimate company, and I'm so happy that I've gotten a hold of you. All right? So all you have to do is just to follow the instructions that I'm giving to you, okay? All right. Absolutely. Now, in order to complete the process, there is only a 2%. Yes, I can hear you. Alrighty, Katie, let me put you in a brief hold, okay? Alright, the financial advisor is calling me, so let me put you in a brief hold, alright? Thank you so much. I want Brittany.
My boyfriend boxed me down up there a while ago. That's because I'm asking for money for the year because I want a trip to go on.
What do you mean, boyfriend? Max, look here.
He boxed me in my face. And tell me, say, nah, give me the money and I'm not going nowhere.
A joke you make.
Me not tell them money come here.
Hold on, Brittany, hold on. Hi, Katie. Thank you so much for your patience in holding. There's an emergency meeting that I have to go to. I'm going to ask that you just give me some more time so that I can provide you with a call back, okay? So no worries, Katie. Just give me an hour and a half and I'll definitely give you a call back, okay? Thank you. Zena! Come on, come. Mister, come on. I don't understand this. Zena! Happy nice. Zena! Where's Zena there? Turn off your pot. Me look, watch your pot till me come. No, me they go up a mark. Wait, hold on. Me they go up a mark. Wait. When they tell me about wait?
You turn off for me. Me can't let the
Listen
pot
up.
keep on up.
Happy nice. Hey, look at girl, happy nice. Brittany come my ball and tell me say Max box him. Me no business what Brittany do when me reach and I carry me hear his story.
Max move fast, sister. You're mad. You try come on.
Come. No, girl. Come on.
And stop let man use you and abuse you. You idiot.
What you mean that? What you do and let him out, but you now come?
Come out, you love.
Come on, tight here, man.
And take your feed idiot too much. Come out. Come around here, so.
Me again, me no want.
You're my sister.
Happy nice.
You are my sister. And the cheer with
Yo,
mother.
come on. Come.
Yo.
Walk forward.
The cheer with mother left and you're the youngest one. I mean,
Yo.
no man take no
Walk
disadvantage.
forward, no man.
Oh,
Mr. Walk forward. What your problem? Walk up, man. What you mean? Yo, stop it.
Oi.
Stop it, nice, man. Now walk, come on. Walk up, no man. Walk up. Hey.
That's nice. That's why man I treat you so. That's why.
Walk up, man, and go on the yard. Walk up. Go on the yard, no. You know, say you make, you know, say you make this a boy and play with you. You, Max, come forward. You something, man?
And what if?
What do you mean?
You, come here, son. Come here, shut your mouth. Are you pitney?
A body really come back now?
Lower your voice, brother. Lower your voice.
Well, on the street.
Come here, son.
No, hold on. You chop me.
Me say for your pitney.
You chop me.
Me
Right
ask
now.
you one question. Me say for your pitney, brother. Are you pitney?
Fist him in my face right now.
Brittany, are you pitney?
A dream.
Are you pitney?
What you ask me every time?
Me say if Brittany are you pitney.
She look like I'm a pitney.
So what you looking for? What you put your hand on him for?
Come like something wrong with your top.
Me I tell her this. So see that person the last me I come up here so to you. You hear me I tell you? See, as long as I live, don't put your hand on her. You see, don't ever listen to me.
Again,
Back him back.
Again, get me.
Mr. Boxing back. Mr. Boxing back.
You serious?
But I say box money, boxing back. Hey, oi. Egg, when you're the box, you feel like you're boxing. I saw your fish shot on.
As
Two
long
more.
as I live,
Two
don't
more.
put your hand on him.
Two more.
Don't put your
Hey,
hand
boy,
on him.
you know name box. So you
You
know say
understand?
my sister that, yo, and my sister that, watch it from yourself. Get up. Move and take for yourself. Take for yourself, boy.
Zina, come.
Brighty.
Gusto.
Oh, you so bright.
You Gusto.
Sorry.
Mr. Gusto. Gusto.
I'm going to have the waist.
You see you?
Hey, boy, you chat too much. Shut up your mouth, man. Shut up your mouth. Shut up and listen.
And last
If
time
you
I
never
could
know
say
say
that.
she have family, the three of we are sister.
And last time I
You
could say
understand?
that.
So remember we from now. Me name Zina and this is my next sister Dantine. You understand? You say if you lick Britney one more time, you bust up your face, boy. Watch it from
As long
yourself.
as I live, don't put your hand on her as long as I live. You hear me say?
Get up! You're lucky say you get a girl. You're bright. I want to you. Three sister, three different mind. Hey boy, you better, yo, grown so. Take away yourself and grown so. Who you? Grown so. Take away yourself. Move your dirty.
I'm gonna get a beer there.
Yeah.
Hold on, you know, coat, beg a cold one now.
Sorry about that.
Can't drink not beer in them son, I'm boss. Honor and respect.
Old fashioned opening there, down on the thing, go. Yeah, man. Welcome, my general.
Oh, yeah, I did.
I'm there. Is everything good?
They are easy, you know.
You want to show you a vibes? No, you want vibes more? I'll show you. Seriously, good thing. Zane?
Hold on. Just start drinking the beer. We get a one drink in peace, man. Jesus.
Good for all our vibe for training, but here I go, bro. It's urgent now. See? You know, for your cousin them. That Zina.
Where you Zina?
Brother. Zina and her next sister. I don't even remember the next one name. They don't come from me hard, man. Come deal with me a way, brother. You understand me? Say violate me in such a way. Brother, then violate me in such a way where it's not next to myself say, what me to do you now? If you take actions on my own hand and to go to police station because me and Brittany look an altercation because Brittany out hard and rank. But you know Brittany scared. Brittany love to go on like she don't know say boy she do certain things wrong. You remember what you say? You remember?
Brittany, your woman?
Yeah, Brittany and my girl, because me and Brittany were keep it on the low down until we start.
You and your woman have altercation?
Yeah.
So how my cousin get involved?
Brother, she no go down there now and go tell them, and then them now come up on my yard and come beat me up, basically. Take advantage of the whole situation of, cause, hold on, the girl she bring up one gun in her waist. So me no have to set her hand up in the ear, bro. I no joke business in a serious thing.
Then brother, what me for do again more than me for have to laugh after if you make woman come body up? Eh? Or if you make woman a dictate to you what go on or what for happen? Big man, are you the man of the house? Are you run your place? Are them fear run round that? Big man, woman not supposed to violate you. And then them come and beat you. Now you're laughing stock.
And that me say, bro, so waiting for you because right now, it's a second opinion, no one. Because first thing I think about, I have to go chop up them down there and I go do something dangerous,
No, then, you see, no.
But me I said to myself, so
you're kind of wrong this still, because if you go chop them up, you go chop up my family.
No, that's why I come check because I don't want, first thing I don't want disrespect them, I don't want disrespect you, bro. You understand me I say?
I understand the levels,
You
but here what? You have to go talk to my family still, You talk to her. But at the end of the day, still you have to stand up. You have to stand up on your own 2 foot them. Because you're a big man. And if you don't take a stance right now, them are going to always have you as a pushover. You should have just box one of them in them face and make them know say you're serious, gun or no gun. Big man, I want him to you. Side 2 shot. You're a star, you know.
I'm not taking any chance.
Wait.
I'm going to talk about that.
It can miss.
It can miss and it can connect. So when it connect, what am I do now?
Nah, man, watch out, man.
Eh?
You never play Danish and with the younger. You don't know if it's sight. You don't know if it duck can come up. A girl, girl shoot straight in the dark. Girl all hold gun lean in it.
That one there.
And I can't bet you say I never some look idiot probably I look at a water gun she come trick you with. And you go on like I say you big. Brother, all them look at something. She have to make you box you with it to see if it's real. If she box you on 2 teeth, then she put you know say a real thing. But how you gonna know if it's real?
I never wanted a chance.
So but you look on it if it's a sweat. Cause go there water gun and she have it in her fridge. You know?
Brother, I never wanted no chance. That's true.
Never wanted no chance. A joke you make, brother. So you have to say them come hold up with a water gun, treat woman, and deal with you a certain way. Now your name stinking in the street, so you beat up boy.
That a go on?
You think me never hear? Cause me never do ask say nothing.
You serious so fast? Yesterday happening, brother?
From last night, it on news. Yeah, man. Rasta boy at the road get whole heap of beating. 3 girls beat him up.
Allah ya tell me.
I swear to. And I look on it and I say, boy, I feel shame, so they all know you.
Yo, alright, here we go. First things first, when you talk to your cousin. Cause she know, me don't really want to get no problem with nobody in the boss. Cause I don't want to go to jail, you know.
I can't do that.
That's what I say. Someone got reason with that. You want to talk.
Can't do that, man. So, what you want me to tell her exactly? You want me to tell her to leave you alone?
Want you tell her, say, to tell Brittany, say, if you come home, that's the first thing. Tell Brittany if you come home and forget about what happened yesterday. So if Brittany don't come home and forget about everything, I don't know what else make, right now I don't know what I'm going to do. But tell them to leave out of my personal business. Because you see the foul crew, a serious business going on now, you know. You understand me?
So you want her back?
I want back Brittany, of course I want back Brittany. Brittany, you know, she take care of me, brother. Brittany know if you do the thing, them, you know. I mean, not talking about, you know what I mean? So I'm here to say, just first thing you're going to tell them, say, yo, come out of man's business and make sure it's a Brittany fine back her yard.
Kind of rough still, you know, but yeah, I'm virgin, me and grow together a long time, I know you.
Make it work, man.
I'm going to make a power talk.
Make a power talk.
I make a power talk.
I make a power talk.
But here what you need for them.
Yeah.
Big man thing. You need to confront them. 3 of them, 2 of them, any amount of them. Confront them. And stand up like a man. And make them know say, yo. You can't ramp with this.
A gun thing, then can.
Big man, you have to test if a water gun.
So I'm going to test.
Make him bust a 1 shot in her ear.
Yeah, drink too much. Alright, here we go. Look at me, brother. Come here, liquor just start soaking. Who got test shot? You know what shot expensive, then can't afford shot.
Then you don't put on the money and say you buy back you can, man.
Hear me, I say.
Brother.
Just do me a favor, yeah, bro?
You
Talk to your cousin.
You want me to tell you exactly what me hear what go on?
What you hear what go on?
The exact story was you violate your girl. You know, look at argument. She said she never want to sleep on the left side of the bed or right side of the bed and use her now.
No, not go so.
Well, that come on the news. Then she go tell her mother. And her mother call my cousin. You see me? And so she them reach up a your yard. And me says a water gun she come up there with. That's why you hear me say what me say. But me never do want to say it. Because I think say they go man up and say you're but you're still there.
Water gun?
It's a water gun. She took up her picnic. Water gun come link you.
No listen.
And body up. Eh?
Some get box. I must box me get brother. Big girl them box me so till me not even know my senses. I'll fling slippers off of me and them something there. Disrespect me in my own yard. And me work so hard for bill. Everything good.
Well, you can't get back that stripe, you know.
You have to get it back, man.
How?
Somehow, no?
The only way you can get back that stripe right now in my general. As if you control the trade them and box on the trade them one time, you know. I make them know what time it is, you know. That's what I'm talking about. You see, any of them there when time me there. But give you straight.
No, that me a talk about, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, if I ever say a water gun, a water gun. So we secure that time.
You know, because I know say a water gun, my G. So anytime you're ready,
Alright.
just give me a knock.
Talk to your cousin first, and then
I go do that.
we discuss everything.
As soon as I see her, as a matter of fact, I go link her later on.
Yo, link.
I make sure you know say a joke thing that should happen.
Yo, go on. Respect, you know.
I say alright, man. Let's do the right thing, you see it?
Just link me, I'm gonna know it all come.
You link me.
Alright, go.
Yeah, man. She say what Zina she depend. I beat up people. Now Zina, come to talk to you, you know.
Where you come to me so strong about? How?
No, I'm not like the foolishness where you're going with.
What you talk about?
What you mean by? Where you have with an altercation gone up so gone beat up people about?
And how that concern you?
I mean by how that concern you. They're in my family.
So what? You're an investigator. Where you come and question me for? What is your problem? What you
Zina.
want?
Zina, I don't know why you're getting in no trouble, you know, regardless of the fact that we're not close relative, you know. I'm still concerned about
nobody
you, know.
bring in relative. We know say we and you are kind of family, but as some four family. I must say we 9 cousins. You're not the second nor first nor third. A far you're there in our generation. Nobody will be. So what? If me and you even did, brother? Yeah, what?
So you
Are you a
mean
friend?
I'm a friend.
So
But I'm a family.
And my yard.
No, but I come talk to you because I don't want to do no wrong thing and deal with the man. I embarrass the man, you know.
Embarrassed.
What you mean?
So you no know say him insecure and they beat my sister. Him no know say that is embarrassment in front of crowd and behind crowd in the murder Brittany. You no know that. And you say we are cousins, so you no know saying they beat your cousin and your friend.
Hold on, you know. Are your sister? So I never that him tell me. Him tell me like I just want a friend still. I'm not too linking in the family still, you see me? I don't know have me as an outsider, that's why I don't tell man nothing, you see?
I am going to tell you something. You see, when they come approach people, whether your family or stranger or whosoever it be, approach them properly. Bring on human approach, no animal approach. Because the way you come little while and I come bad me up, yo! Because of your friend. Well, let me tell you this. You see your friend? Your friend is not your friend. He is a friend enemy. Because if him did believe or thinking of him stupid thoughts or ideas, say you and him are no friend and he did rate like that, you make sure to tell you from the beginning, say, the woman who I beat, I'm woman and I'm my sister. I mean, now make no boy come use and abuse and violate my sister like that. Because you see, my next sister when named Dantine, that are your cousin where you must not even know because how long me not see you, me not even remember about you. And that me I tell you, me and she, I got deal with that boy the case. Anyhow, him put back in stinking and pan with small sister Brittany because I now play with him. And I'm sitting like in the feed her. Every minute Brittany hungry, she have to come to sour. When you go on from her, keep her a yard, you washing in clothes and cook and do all kind of thing. And the boy craving. Brittany tell we the boy greedy just and them have food if Brittany ever get 2 dumplings in cost. So him what?
But a
so
film relationship that don't have to
No. Shut up your mouth. That's why your friend say you idiot. That means you are the same thing. You beat woman too. You are one woman beater.
No, I not agree. I tell him say I not agree with that.
If you're woman beater, we no bother coming out with family. We ain't know nothing.
But you may say no man. Just know some talk to you.
But you're saying never tell you about it from the beginning.
You beat up the man. You just let go that now.
Let go what? I him feel like the abuse of woman. I him feel like the violence of woman and the beating and the this and the that of woman. Talk to him and tell him, say if he stop the violence of beating woman and they kick them and the this and the that to woman and woman in come out. When come out? And a woman.
Chana man, I belittle the man character, you know. I'm not say it's right for a man beat a woman, you know, because that's wrong, you know. I not support that
yes,
no way,
shape
shape,
like
or
how
form.
a man can disrespect and humiliate and intimidate and bully one woman, abuse them violently. I see where if you go out there as a woman, go shame them too. Then too terrible. Then come from woman, not animal. So then if you know if you treat, so then you used to treat him that good, that's why you come and treat woman. Hey, make him put back. Where you come to me
Then
for?
suppose the man did lick one or hurt one on, you know.
Yeah,
How would
idiot.
go?
A liar they tell. You don't go here so we and your family. You not even know who you play with. A Zina this. And my next sister named Dante. I chew Britney soft.
So
and he go pick up one cockroach.
So
and that me they tell you. He
question.
can't do it.
But me here say in the street say I want water gun and go out there with and beat up the man. What kind
Water
of
wish
foolish
gun
thing
and that. And that. You see next time when him a beat up with sister, turn up and watch what we go do to him. You will see if a water gun or a pie or a tutu.
So,
him
so,
go
so
get
Zina,
something for chew.
So Zina, you really have to me say are you gonna
Not me no question. People will have them something there. We're smart, don't walk and chat a road. So me no know you can't ask me that for. No ask me nothing. No ask me nothing. Before you find out what was the problem, why situation was good on, you come on me yard and bad me up.
I'm not bad up still, is me come on strong, is me so me stay still, is it?
No, come on so strong. Not even for one dog. Don't do it. Much as you man, don't do that.
Watch on man,
Because
family see you,
to what you say is like you never know what was the problem.
never fully understand the situation, but
that
now that you give me
is a
clarity.
dirty liar.
But I say it go still. But watch on now, just avoid him, you see me?
Me if you avoid him,
And I'm going to tell him if he walk far from him, but him did beg me a one favor still, you know.
how you want?
This one there, see Brittany, can I tell her, say, come on, please.
Eh? What you say? When me see my sister,
Yeah.
when him beat sexually, physically, emotionally, mentally, look here every tally. Hey, my sister, alright, listen. Yes, me now say, him and my sister now go talk back, you know, when you get this straight. But you see if my sister reach up there, is not this one send her up there. I'm sure send my next sister when him Dantine, nah send Brittany up there. And Brittany afraid of him and him trick Brittany and Brittany go back. And that thing always do. Beat her, she a feel left. Then he make one phone call or him by sitting and give Brittany and friend her up and gone back again. Then at the same procedure. Me not tell my sister to go back up there so. If she go back, for her one, but it's not going to me send her up there. Me, I am not sending nobody to no man where I beat them. Yeah, idiot. Then when he kill off my sister, now me see when I figure, yo.
Man, him not do that, man. Him say I love, is it?
Love.
That him say.
What is wrong with you? Gone. Yeah, hear me? You look like you're gone for two. You're not in a space, yeah, so. You're not on different planet. You're not the right, yeah, so. Gone. Think about where they tell me, say, you is a man. We are your family. We are woman. Remember, you have mother. Your mother is a woman, is not a man. I have to be one woman you come from. Think about it. Try tell your friend when you see your friend again. Say,
yeah.
Stop beat woman is going to end up with no woman around him.
I tell him again still, isn't
I
it?
go live with himself till he's dead. If I say him and do woman.
I should have beat him still, isn't it?
Who to tell if the dirty boy no get out from pick me out the road and them a girl? Why you do that to one woman? Stop the violence of beating woman. It is not right. You affect woman brain, we end up love you and they do all kind of stuff. Yo, gone. You see when I see that dirty boy there? Tell him say I need to come apologize to my sister. Kneel down and apologize to my sister.
You know what? I gotta carry him forward. That me I gotta do. I gotta carry him forward.
The violence of abusing woman, it is not right. It is wrong. And men, we do them type of something there, they need to stop. It is wrong.
True.
It is so wrong. Gone. Remember say no. Me tell you already, but listen to this. It is the facts. The facts still remain. This is reality, a matter of fact. Woman bear seeds. Woman bear fruits. You understand? Woman is very important on earth. Man to stop wicked and cruel to woman. If it wasn't a woman, you wouldn't be here. Tell your friend that.
2 years
And
still.
him wouldn't be here either.
Woman,
He have sister. Although me no know nobody fi drunk her, but he must have some relative. He must have sister, he have mother. He could never come from animal. Are you human being? You know, so me never want to lick a dirty boy. Me never want to lick it, but me they show him say if he stop abuse woman because that is wickedness.
Yeah, my son, long and short, just not deal with him so again, you see me? Just me I beg you. Me I beg you.
Man, you better you go on.
Me I go on,
Yeah.
me I go on, man.
I want next time when you have something more important and more constructive to talk about, you can check me. But you say for the fool you come to talk about, I'm not interested. Sorry, but
Just
big up yourself. We have family seeing with you.
talk to sister and Brittany, you see me?
Alright.
Big up.
Me I say, alright, but you not gonna know when me I go tell Brittany say no come in and send Brittany go give no wicked man. You understand? I bring it up to Brittany as me tell her before 1 million times say if Brittany go back to the dirty boy, she make up her mind to do that. It's not me and Dantine.
I make him come apologize, man.
Not this Zina. Oi. That dirty boy they need to come kneel down in front of my sister and apologize and barely living in water saying and put back in your hand for me.
I make him come apologize, man.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Damn wicked brute. Wicked. All crazy. Wicked man. A beat woman. All dirty womanizer.
Brittany. See this thing. Me, I know they like this gate. Eh? Brittany. Brittany.
Yo, Brittany there, you know?
Eh.
How are you?
My guy, come now, come. Where is Brittany?
Brittany gone up on some trip business at town, you know?
Trip. And she never bothered to tell me.
No,
but are you sure you're being honest with me? I know my friend. My friend will never leave this place without informing me. She went on a trip. Imagine she went on a trip and she did not even bother to inform me. Anyway, I won't speak with you. Let me go have a seat.
No, son, we talk man. Yo, because right, my mind is really up on my mind is really there right now. Enough things going on since then about. Yeah, enough things. I'm like African, vibes still, come bring me a different mood right now, but upon the chilling thing right now, I don't want to sit down, you understand?
Okay. So me, I want to talk to you about something. I guess small matter I want to talk about. So you remember the thing we have going on, right? You know the thing
she not find out that.
I hope she doesn't find out.
I hope
me, I don't want my friend to know this. Oh, I love my friend. I don't want she feel as if I be backstabber. So make I just tell you something. You better not say anything.
No,
but anyways, me, I want to inform you about something. What are you planning to make us take things very serious?
I don't know. I can't know. If you want even if you want even come chill, you can stay until she come back.
My guy, I will talk. I will talk.
No, you can't do that.
You know what? You don't want this to take very serious.
No, but why you have to do that to me? Are your friend,
You know, get sense. Me, I see you there mad.
Remember, say you tell me say you want to try a Jamaican man, and you never try a Jamaican man before, and we do a little thing, and you know, say, and we have to keep it secret. So we have to talk, but you will talk. We have to talk, then we differ.
You never see problem for your life,
What do you mean?
Make I just tell you something, It be you and your entire generation that will regret this thing if you not put aside what you and my friend have.
No, that can't. No, right now I wrong timing you have right now. I'm in business. Anything you want to say to me right now, but if you want to stay,
I can see you not get sense. You're mad. You not get sense.
What do you mean?
I can see you not get sense. You're mad.
We talk about what get sense. We talk.
Like I tell you something. You see, the last time we had sex, hey, that one was very nice. So,
but that and one. You say try one Jamaican thing and that's it. You know, you for a long time you come up. You do we are there and you say one try Jamaican
bamboo. You rather
bamboo.
to choose my friend over.
And no matter I choose. But the thing is this, you know, right now is a wrong time still. Even though I can't have a little vibe, you know. You know what I mean? But listen me I say. Come check back later on that
guy.
Come check back later. Come check me later.
You no get sense so.
Come check me later.
You no get sense so, my guy. You no get sense so. I will come back. I will come back.
Just call me when you come back. Go on, call me when you come back.
You want me to call you when I'm coming back?
Yeah, call me when you come back.
I will come back. But whenever I come back, I don't want you to play with me. I don't want you to play with me.
Tell us the real
or else you see my sister. Me, I will just take her one side and gist her. I will give her gist if you play with me. I will tell her.
You know you not tell her because you're afraid she find out even from the first night that you from the first thing you get something.
You think I no get sense?
You're afraid she find out.
You think I no get sense? I'm not afraid. I will just tell her that you were the one who hold me down and take it. In fact, me I will leave this place for you. But make I just tell you something. You see me I will call you. And not pick your call. And my friend will surely know about this.
No.
Pick your call. What are you saying?
No, I say nothing. What you say?
My friend will know about this if you don't pick your call. I just want one more time. See what you see the thing I get the other night. Me I like him. My guy.
One more time.
Me I like him. Yes, no. I wouldn't die. I want him now.
Let's call me, man. One more try and then that's it. You understand what I say?
One more try.
One more try and that you find one next Jamaican man.
Hey!
Yeah?
So you think that you can just give me one time and 2 times and think that everything will be okay?
So,
as a matter of fact, you see, anytime after I come back here and I get the other one, I will come back for more.
No.
So make I just tell you something before I leave this compound. Useless man.
I see if you really come here and want to come use me.
You're very useless. Stupid human being. You're a very stupid human being. Useless man. I will come back.
Alright, enough for this.
Good evening, officer.
Yes, sir. How may I be of assistance?
Well, them send me to come to you to make the report, sir.
What kind of report you want to make?
I don't know if I explain it to you from that point, but all I need for that just make
Hold on, you say good evening?
Yeah, man, I said good evening, officer.
Oh, okay. Yes, you know.
I said, like, I want to make a report. 3 women come over my yard, come beat me up.
What?
3 women come over my yard, come beat me up.
No, man. Big chunk man like you make 3 women beat you up. That don't sound good, man. You really come to station to make report about that? You know nothing to do?
So what you saying? If they don't kill me, what will happen after that?
Alright, where you see that?
Yeah, so 3 women come on my yard and box me up and give me some lick up on my yard. And I want to file a report so they don't come back on my yard. And if they come back on my yard, I want to get arrested.
Listen, sir. You see, if you don't have nothing to do, me don't want you to come to station come base police time. You understand? We have more pressing matter to deal with more and you come report to 3 women and beat you up. You hear what I'm going to jail? Eh?
But me couldn't be one of them because the woman come
Me no
here.
want to hear you want to feel stupid, fool statement where you come give.
So you
Before you look at that woman, you come at station and tell me about woman beat you up. You know what I'm do?
So, what if they come on me yard, come kill me, boss? So at them the time they go step one, me shall come up. But me don't want to reach to what if. That's why the police is there to protect, serve and protect.
Well,
Me can make the report, boss. Or no, me
alright,
can.
wait see I'm right on where see I'm
3 women come on me yard, come box me up.
Okay.
One named Zena. Me not sure the next one name, but that's Zena's sister.
Alright, here what you do. Go back and get some correct information, then you come back to the police.
So what if me go back and
Get the name them, where they live, how tall them, be how them color, and then hair color and everything, and just come back. When you get all of that, then you can come back. Alright? Yeah man, do all of that and come back. Because right now, me can't write this down. And the woman right name is Zena, or they call her so.
then call her so?
No, you have to get the right name. We can't really. And if you can get a little video of them, to get it.
So you can make a thing where police come with me now and me can't kill them down there?
To be honest, we don't come with you, but if you could punch you and I'm one day station, so me can't left right now.
No, but the next 2 policemen there front say you were the one to take the report. So me can go to the next 2 policemen and tell them if they find out.
Well, maybe them can help you, but I don't think them will walk, because no vehicle are there.
So what the purpose of the police station, sir?
Ask the commissioner.
But I think this is a big thing where...
Listen, and again, we're not getting enough pay to come risk with life. We're not getting enough pay for risk with life. So go on and get some correct information and come back. When you get the correct information, then you come back.
What do you mean not get enough pay? How pay coming is, boss? Me I talk about me need to make a report because just in case the woman them come up and me because them have gun, boss.
Alright, here me go do for you. If you can put together one little package and come back, maybe me can get one police to follow you.
But when it's a package we are talking about?
Money.
How much money you are talking about? Because right now...
Well, I don't really want to tell you a figure still. Just try to get some money together, and it's not wrong money, good money. Come because you'll put your life at risk. And if you say money a gun?
One have gun.
One have gun.
The one Zena's sister.
You know what kind of gun?
Black gun.
And black gun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, what, M16 or a little gun?
No more little gun in a waistline.
Alright.
M16 is a big long gun, them boss.
Mm.
And a big long gun.
Little gun.
Yes, sir.
Alright, well, come back with the money and maybe we can organize up something and we just put on some vest and come there. Because we can't put your life at risk like that. Alright?
This is a big one, no. Alright, boss.
Yeah, man. You know, have nothing to do, you see, man, I tell you.
Zena!
What?
Right, Pri.
Mosquito them a kill me, girl. I feel blackout right here, so.
So I say sleep with the sitting on that door every day?
You know, mosquito come like vampire. They come hand and eat your door.
Name them, man. Name them off, man.
I'm hungry. I cook me a cook.
Right, Pri, now. Girlfriend, man, me a call and me can't get your phone. Why make every time me they call the phone, me can't get you?
Dante, you wouldn't understand. The amount of work I do from morning. My phone all the day, it on charge.
You feel your phone close to you, man. Any
But-
emergency, you feel your phone, brother.
I turn on the back the while and see miss call them. Mother call them, but I show me still a cook and whatever same thing. Where when they call me about now? Sorry about the miss call, man. You know mother call them back when me get.
Around the guys that me I come from, girl, me they round there play domino and sitting with the boy them round there and sitting. You see me?
Oh.
You don't cook?
Me soon done cut, man. Anyway,
I know me hungry and want sitting for them youth.
sis, one little dirty, bad breed cousin where we have one long time cousin. A far way, we are in my family for real, you know. In the far, far way down in our family.
Who that they?
So I don't know, first or third, one boy when him gone. We are in my family for Jojo.
Look
Yes.
here, no call that the boy name to me. Cause him not like me, he don't like me. And to if tell you honest truth, me not hate him or nothing, you know. But me not really want to hear nothing about him because you see true me know say he not like me. Me and him cannot agree and it better me just stay far from him. Not even name me no want nobody call to me right now.
Me understand. Because it look like, say, the whole generation that we don't like we doing something. Because if you see how the boy come here today and come and go on like I say, my son bad man.
Come
like
here.
Right away are there so.
Wait, where is he come?
Come away are there so today and they go on like I say he want bad me up at the first.
Me shoulda there. Me shoulda there.
When he just come, he come like he not even realize that we matter to and figure say we are in my family. And we related from way back down before he ask question. He just come and load up him out. So when they put him in a place done and tell him what is the problem between Brittany and him dirty nasty man, he must say no a different story in combo.
Where can he call me? I just say he shoulda call me.
But the boy come like I say, you see to him in calm too. My name make it get. Yep.
Then you just saying calm or you just say he come here and he dey go on like.
He never know the story and listen to what his friend say. And then he come and come go on like him and come talk to me in some bad man way. You understand me? So when me explain and tell him what is the problem between we sister, Brittany and Eman, yes. Then he understand. And they say he never know. So you see to him when he calm down, me no bother make no conflict. Me not start the problem because I know say my head no good. He know already for a long time. So me warn him and tell him say next time if he make sure what him do before he do it. Because he can put himself in a problem and chat too much and he not make sure what him do first and just jump to conclusion and not judge it wrongfully. But in lucky car, you see, all the day when time me go up there and Brittany, if him went there alone him with cousin and any come up him out through him and the dirty boy a friend, you know, all him with a beat.
Right now, but more about him now. I better say me see man about him. Bet me see man about him. So boy enough to come in here that come go on like I say man on bad man. Him a who is him? Who is him? A dog shit that man. Who is him? Somebody. What the fuck me I can't go up road because I want to see him. I want to see him. I want to see him.
Oh, you're not go left.
He can't warn me. Warn who? He can't warn me. Come like you don't remember who me. What wrong with you?
God. Oh boy.
What going?
I don't have to sit me forward from a police station because I really not trust them girl there, you know, especially the one name I don't remember Zena next sister. I can't remember her name. Yeah man, I have to go down the brother. I go on the girl come on my yard with you.
Remember you did tell me? I remember me did make joke about tell you say I play gun.
A real thing, I tell you.
Me find out, cause me go link Zena.
You link up Zena?
Yeah man, me go give Lena one link and Zena make me know. She never know joke thing. But me and that sister don't take tea either, you know.
What's your name? Dantina or Lantina or some teen.
Yeah, she same one, me and she don't take tea.
So I'm a dangerous girl, man. I mean dangerous. So me, you know, I secure myself. But the police, them are going like they don't want to take my talk to beef ball. I say, why me I come report this thing? And you know, as a man, you know, I'm supposed to report. You know, matters like this, me if you take it up. But me I say supposed to shoot me and kill me. What go come out of it? Eh?
I look kind of weak still, I'm not gonna lie to you. As a man still go report for 3 women that look away.
Brother, this be life me I try to secure now.
Hey, then stand up like a man and defend your life, brother. But hold on. Say not to say this. The other day when you level with me on the story, you never tell me say you didn't know give the girl 2 bucks, my G. You only did tell me say then come and beat you up.
No.
But you never tell me say you fire box and box him down black and blue yeah and them sitting there.
No man, here I go now. I'm gonna be honest with you, see? That never happened before. I never yet put me on pan her. I always, make a little shift and I don't lie and make a big mistake. And for me, if you do that, I don't know if I can correct it. You understand?
Can't correct you know.
But me never, I say there was something I want to do, but it's like me lose, me a gamble and me lose and she come ask me these things and me just, you know what I mean, lose my focus and everything.
Brother.
So it's never purpose.
Well, I can tell you say, them a pray up.
What do you mean
Big man thing.
Again?
Them say no done. It done. And I can tell you say Zina's sister coming. So look out of your 3 eye them. Can't tell you that much. Cause to be honest right now, I don't even too want to see me still, cause as I tell you, I'm not too. They're not TV with her.
Brother, right now, I just want clarity because I want to call Brittany now and take my phone call. That's the first thing. I want to apologize to her because I tell you this, I never happened before.
Zina not depend that. And if Zina was the one where me know have like a reasoning ability,
so
I tell me straight no.
So now sit there, no Zina that I come. Zina,
Where? Which one?
You expect him to come check her?
Nah man.
Eh?
That's so far, yeah.
So you're still here, my guy. If you're still here with us, make sure that you like this video, spam the comment section and turn on your post notification bell. So the next video that we post, you'll be able to get the notification.